Sardines pasta by me. Welcome back to my channel. This is Coco, and for today's video, wait, kasi ito na naman yung Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Coco, and for today's video is we're gonna make sardines, but pasta sardines with family's friend. This is not sponsored, and we're trying to win their contest. Kasi meron silang contest, and super sarap nito guys. First time ko na naman gumawa, pero it's gonna be great. So, again, family's friend, we'll be needing this. So, we don't have, wala akong makitang green. Ito lang nakita ko, green, red. Hindi naman siya ganun kaanghang, so don't you worry guys, okay? And then next would be, of course, Parmesan as our cheese. And then oregano, herbs, and sage, my favorite sage. And then olive oil. And then, of course, pasta. Naluluto na natin. Okay, I'll show it to you later. And then, of course, tomatoes, parsley on top, and then garlic. Okay, let's get started.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Try to be a chef. Even if it's lockdown, we have to be very creative. Okay.
Family sardines.
If we're gonna win this contest, mamimigay tayo sa mga in-need. Okay? Hopefully naman manalo tayo. And makamigay ko yung mga sardinas na makakuha ko. Yeah. So let's pray. Okay. And it's gonna be great. Okay. So excited. Because I'm hungry again. Always hungry during lockdown. Kasi there's nothing. There are a lot of things to do, but you're just, you know, inside your house. But all you can think of is to eat, to eat, to eat, to eat. Yes, so let's get it on. I'll check that pasta. I'll show it to you. Yes. Hi guys, so what we'll be needing are olive oil, of course, sardines, family's friend, sardines, family's friend, parmesan, oregano, sage, garlic, parsley, and then half of tomato. Okay, let's get
ready to rumble!
So guys, this is the pasta. Tada! Basta yun. This is the pasta. So let's just wait for it to be heated. Excuse me. Mabasag. I'm gonna get angry if mabasag. Okay? Please guys, cooperate. It's too hot. Okay? I know you're hungry. I'm talking to my cats, guys. Hindi ko sila lahat. Okay. So hot. Grabe. First is olive oil. Yung wooden chopstick. So it's starting to sizzle. Let's put the garlic. So make it brown first, and let's wait. Ouch! And then after that, we're gonna put the tomatoes. Let's make it quick kasi ang lakas ng apoy. Sunog na ang garlic. The guys ang garlic. And guys, lalagay na natin ang family's friend, sardines. Yes. And another. Kukupost na ako. Kasi may yan dito yun. May aircon ako kasi yung katabi dito kahit may fan. So let's stir, guys. Make it very special. Guys, oregano. By the way, guys, you should put oregano kapag may mga tomato sauce. Must have yun. And sage. and pepper. So let's cheers. Then, oh, let's taste it, guys. Ay, yung pato. Sarap. Yummy. So that's it, guys. So we're so ready to prepare our new pasta from Family Sardines, guys. Parmesan. That's it. We're gonna eat it. Sardines pasta by me. Lakas maka-restaurant. Sardines lang yan. Pina-special lang natin. And kasi ito yung pinaka-normal na kinakain natin, especially lockdown. Sardines talaga. And sardines is like favorite ng Pinoy. So, we just made it special. And pasta by Coco Manuel. Yeah. Invent ko lang. Alright. So, anyone can do this, guys. So, but first, let's take a picture kasi baka wala yung presentation ko. Guys. Take a bite, guys. Tama lang naman yung alat. Sabi na mama ko maalat daw. It's yummy. Sobrang perfect. Simple lang. Kahit yung kids, kayang-kaya nito. Kaya ko na ubusin ito. Sarap. Super naging special yung sardines. And only, kaya lang to, mura lang. Wala pang 20 pesos, guys. Kaya kayo. Take a bite. Take a bite, guys. Another. So yummy. Sobra, guys, super naging special. Kala natin nasa restaurant tayo. Take a bite. And smells so good. Super, pwede mo siya ibenta ng 200 pesos and above. Dami kong gutom. So, earlier, I just made a video. And if you guys are watching Ita 1, so that's a video for you. So, that's why I have this here. Pero matagal ko na, guys, binabalak mag-bleach ng buhok. Sobra talagang, when it comes to bleaching or like coloring my hair or like styling my hair, super obsessed ako. I'm trying to stop myself from doing it, pero I keep on going back from my habit. Not actually my habit, but I enjoy it. Take a bite. Mawawala na ng battery, guys. Take a bite. Choke ako. Bubulol na ako. Water.
What?
Okay na. Wala pa lang water, guys. Busin natin ito. Bye! Guys, so super yummy. Even your kids. Nawala yung anghang niya. Parang hindi siya red. Masarap. Sobrang sarap. Bite muna kayo. Last two. Bite. Take a bite, guys. Bite. Just a sardine. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something from this video, please hit like, comment down below, and hit subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. And also, yeah, thank you guys for watching. I do love you guys. I hope you are all safe, calm, and goodbye. See ya, guys, on my next video. Nabasag kayo? Ako nabasag ako, sobra. Sobrang sarap. Ulitin ko to. Marami pa ako doon. For our family, sobrang makaka-enjoy lahat ng brother, sister, father, mother mo. And sobrang sarap. Napakamura. Sardines lang. The best. Feeling mo nasa Italy ka. Meron pa nga eh. Wala na naman. Oh. So good.